Hi, how are you guys? This is me, Grace Ronke Adegoke. I'm here to talk to you about my passion on YouTube channel. I'm going to be talking about health and fitness and nutrition, representing marginalized people from various communities. It doesn't matter which one. Also looking into talking about chronic diseases, the likes of fibromyalgia, diabetes, high blood pressure, how you can get the most out of your lifestyle to reduce the suffering you have within your health challenges, maybe the aches and pain of fibro and how it has sucked quality out of your life. I hope I'll be able to do justice, and I look forward to seeing you coming back into my channel to come and watch my videos. Hopefully they'll be useful for you or even for somebody within your family or your friends or community. So please, whenever you come on here, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and also the notification bell so we could get your support and keep going to do more videos. And also let me know what you want to talk about, what you want me to discuss, and I will do my best to do this. So thank you very much for coming today to watch this, and I hope I will do justice to answer your questions. Bring them, write them down below, and I will take time. I will give them time and attention and discuss them. So again, I'm Grace Ronke Adegoke. I have been a nurse, advanced nurse practitioner in primary care for over 20 years and a lot of experience under my belt. And I hope when you bring your questions, I can do justice, and if I can't, I will do research and let you know what's out there. And also, most importantly, for people who have a lot of questions for their doctors, but there is no time when you go and see your doctor, you're there 10 minutes in, out, and you are still hanging, so many on to so many questions that are not answered. So this is a platform to come. Just come, ask your questions, and if I can do my best, if I can answer them, I'll answer them. If I can't, I will do research and let you know. However, this is not a replacement for your doctor. Since I'm not your doctor, stay seek the advice of your doctor, and I will try as much as possible to accommodate every question. Thank you for watching. Hit the like button, subscribe, and the notification before you go. I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Thank you. God bless. Bye-bye.